The goal with this activity is to really get your upper body strong while keeping your hips loosey-goosey. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to need to set up a landmine attachment. So we have our landmine attachment right here. And you want to sit down, and as you sit, you're going to have your hips higher than your knees. That's why it's called a high sit landmine press. You're going to then grab the landmine, set it on your shoulder just like so. And the first step you're going to do is you want to rock back so your weight is on your butt bones predominantly. So it's going to be like a subtle tuck of the hips. You don't want to get all wild and crazy so you're slouching like this or getting a big round through your lower back. It's just rock it back so you're feeling those ish tubes or those butt bones as you're contacting the seated surface. From here, what you're going to do is maintain that butt bone contact. You're going to take a breath very in. Exhale, you want to push that landmine as far as you can while keeping your trunk right where it's at. Shoulder blades are going to swoop around. You don't want to arch and lean forward like that. You don't want to short arm it. You want a full reach. Well, not arching your back either. Keeping that butt bone and rib cage position right there. And you're going to go back down. Rinse and repeat for them gains. We'll go one more. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.